$1 billion fall from the sky on top of you, but it's all in pennies. Become great at any online computer game, but everyone will think you hacked, cheated, and they will all say awful things about your mother. You are given $1 million, but you have to split it with the first person when you click share, and then more. Have a Pokemon of your choice in real life, but it will hate you and try to get free. Good grades in school, but no social life. Reincarnate in the Marvel Universe, but as a villain whose sole purpose is to destroy the universe.